Hello, embedded engineers, developers, and friends. We are here at Embedded World 2026 in Nuremberg, Germany, and I'm Ken Briodagh, editor-in-chief of Embedded Computing Design. And I am so excited to have you all here on our Embedded Executive Podcast. My guest right now and for the moment is John Hacker of TeleCANesis. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
I'm so excited to be able to do these video podcasts. They're so much fun. I usually only have people listening, and now they get to watch, and that's better for them because they get to see us. In case folks aren't familiar with TeleCANesis, can you tell us a little bit about the company and sort of how they might interface with you?
Yeah, so TeleCANesis is a company that makes software, also called TeleCANesis. What we do is we simplify the interfacing and connection of different field bus protocols, which is pretty much why everyone is here at Embedded World.
Absolutely, and you won one of the Best in Show awards last night. Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about why you won. Tell me a little bit about sort of the secret sauce.
Right, so TeleCANesis has a couple different pieces. It has a plug-in based engine, which allows you to pretty much interface between any type of bus, with any type of protocol. It's all plug-in based.
Okay.
We also provide the ability for you to create your own plugins for that as well. Wow. to extend and cover anything, even like completely custom things that is proprietary to your software.
I think I've got your second product name, the Bus Depot. Because it seems a little bit like that's what you're doing. You're sort of making that translation happen between any 2 points.
Absolutely, yeah. That's a great way of explaining it.
Yeah.
And to help you do that, we have a product a web-based product called Hub.
Okay.
That allows you to set up and visualize this all the connections. So one of the things we didn't expect actually is just how powerful this visualization is.
Okay.
In fact, that seems to be resonating with a lot of our early adopters and early customers.
That's awesome.
Just being able to see on the screen explicitly how the messages and the data is flowing and connecting.
It's really cool to think about it that way, because so much of what all of this is abstracted. We've got connectivity here, we got whatever there. These cables are all disappearing into the wall.
Yep.
To be able to sort of really visualize, these are the connections that are happening, these are the ones that are working well, these are the ones that you need to go check out or whatever, maybe there's some kind of slowness on a line or whatever other kinds of problems.
Yeah.
So folks listening and watching here are, of course, engineers.
Mm-hmm.
They're out there solving these problems.
Yep.
And what would they come to you guys to solve? What are the problems that they're bumping into that you are helping them identify and find?
Yeah, so the connections, but making these connections in a way that are make your product and your software certifiable and verifiable.
Sure.
Right. So we're using some time-honored code generation. And different techniques like that in order to build more certifiable code.
People have been telling me I'm certifiable for years. So, John, thank you so much for taking time to chat with us today. This has been awesome. Folks out there who are watching and listening, make sure you're subscribed to Embedded Executive. If you're hearing this as a segment on Embedded Insiders, subscribe to that too. And if you're watching us on YouTube, hit the subscribe and the notifications button. Both of those are super important. And keep on listening. We've got a lot more episodes to come from Embedded World here in 2026 in Nuremberg, and of course, throughout the year. Thanks for joining us. I've been Ken Briodagh, your host.